episode of Sundays with Sully. Thank you for tuning in. Be sure to hit the subscribe button over there in the corner. I forget what side it's on, but go ahead and hit that subscribe button to make sure you're staying up to date with the latest marine tech trends and products we have going on here at Navtronics. All right, so with that out of the way, what are we going over this week? We are going over quantum paint. And this is something a little different. This is going to be a two-part paint like the big guys out there have from Albert DuPont. There's a bunch of those different ones out there, right? This is that same part. It's a polyurethane two-part paint, but it's in a rattle can. So you're going to get that great hard finish, that great paint out of a rattle can. So why are we talking about it? Well, in our particular area, we are seeing a lot of boats getting color matched antennas for the hardtop. So that's what we got here. We got a Garmin 19X antenna, and we've taken my personal sandpaper of choice, which is Mirka's Haberman sandpaper. A couple extra bucks. Definitely worth checking it out, guys. It's a mesh. I don't know if you can kind of see it on the camera there or not, but it's a mesh sandpaper. It lasts a lot longer. A couple bucks more, but worth it. So I've taken my Mirka sandpaper, and I've gone ahead and I've sanded this down and got this all prepped out and ready. We're going to go take a field trip here in a second in back and show you guys how this application actually goes. So like I said, this is a two-part paint. We have our primer sealer right here, and we have our high gloss black right here. So just like with a regular paint job, this is going to have your primer. You're going to go ahead, you're going to build up your primer, and then you're going to give it a quick de-nub and knock everything down, and then you're going to go over it and hit it in the time window without additional sanding and be able to put your black top coat on. So how's this stuff work? What sets it apart, like I said, is it is a two-part paint. If you take this little red guy right here off the cap, you'll see right here in the middle, there's a little spot for it to go. It goes into this guy right here. So you shake the can up for a minute, which I've already done. You shake it up for a minute or two, make sure you can hear the ball rolling around, right? Then you take this guy, we line him up right there, and we're going to push this in, and we should hear an audible click. Should be in the keyword. There we go. Audible click. Now, the paint has been activated. You now have a clock ticking. You need to shake it for a minute or two after activating it. So we'll do that in a second here. But the other key to this is, once you mix it, once you activate it, you need to let this sit for 15 minutes to induct. That means all those chemicals have to mix together. You've got 15 minutes before you can pull the trigger. Pull it before that, the paint's not going to be fully mixed. You risk not having everything fully cured out for you. So do that, and then you're going to repeat that exact same process on this one. After you've gone ahead and you've primed everything, go ahead and pop the top on this, push the lid in on that, activates the paint, and same process. Go ahead, build up a couple of light coats, get a nice even coat. When you're finally happy with it, take it from me as a previous professional boat painter, don't push it. If you like the finish and you go, you know what, yeah, just one more coat, don't do it. That's when the curtains and the sags come. If you're happy with it, leave it. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to go take this stuff, we're going to go in back, and we're going to shoot this and show you guys just kind of how it's applied, and come back, we'll show you the finished product. So let's go check it out. So as you can see, it was pretty easy. You didn't do anything really special, masking off or taping off or anything. It was pretty quick and simple shoot right out of the rattle can here. But as you can see, I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but I think we need a couple of close-ups here. You can kind of see it's a really nice finish on here for just painting out the garage, basically. I mean, I didn't really vacuum anything up. I didn't really do a ton of prep work on this to give us this finish. But you can see it's got a nice high gloss. I don't see any reason why that would not pass as, you know, a great job for the antennas on a hardtop of a boat. So not only you can do antennas, they also sell this for outboard kits. So you can do outboards, whether it's your Mercury, Yamaha, or whatever. You can do a complete, just your cowlings, total outboard. You can get the package from Quantum Paint, so it's definitely worth checking out. It's just something else out there for you guys. Make your life a little easier if you're feeling like a little adventurous, little do-it-yourselfer. Check it out, Quantum Paint. They got the whole product line there. You can get the stuff, have it sent right to your house, do it in the weekend in the garage, go from there. So that's it. That is this week's Sundays with Sully. Thank you for tuning in, and as always, be sure to tell a friend. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. It's over there somewhere. And share it with your friends. Tell everybody about it. Give us a follow on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook at Navtronics. And I think we got some other stuff coming up in the future here, some other cool projects. So stay tuned, give us a follow, and we'll talk to you guys later. Peace.